Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to fix your turn signal flasher. If you do not know what I'm talking about, let's say your right turn signal works. All right, it's flashing, it's clicking, but you go to turn left and it's just still, it's not clicking, it's not flashing. So I'm gonna show you how to fix that. It's actually really simple. I'll show you all that you need. It's only 2 tools and the part that you need. So let's get to it. So you're just gonna need 2 tools in the part that you're replacing with. You need a Phillips screwdriver, a ratchet with a 7mm socket, and the flasher that you're replacing it with. Okay. All right, so you have to undo 2 Phillips screws from your panel underneath your steering wheel, and 2 7mm nuts. So you're gonna use your Phillips screwdriver to do that. Okay, so the panel underneath your steering wheel, which is right here, you have to remove 2 Phillips screws. They're on both sides. And you have 2 7mm nuts on the bottom. So once you remove those, then it'll expose the your relays and your harnesses and whatnot. All right, guys, so I got it open. So now if you're having trouble finding it, it's gonna be located, your right one's gonna be located right here. It's clipped on. It looks like a little cylinder, but these little clamps are holding it to a mount. And your left one is, of course, to the left. If I can find it. All right, yeah, there it is, right there. So that's the one that's busted, so we're gonna pop and swap that one. All right, so after playing around and fighting to get it out, I was able to finally get it out. So now you just have to remove this little clamp right here and yeah, replace it with a new one. So that's all right, guys. So I actually replaced the one on the right side, and here's the old one. So we're gonna put everything back together and fire it up and see if it works. So let's see. All right, guys, moment of truth. Let's see if replacing the flasher fixes our problem. All right, let's test the right one out because we already know that one works. Cool. Now for the left one. All right, it's just like that. It's that simple, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe, and see you guys till next time. Deuces.